Do you want to achieve fluency in English? Are you looking for a clear, easy-to-follow guide to help you reach that goal? Well, you're in the right place. Today we'll delve into 5 simple steps that can lead you to English fluency. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting linguistic journey together. Step 1. Immerse yourself in the language. This means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch English movies, read English books. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more familiar it becomes. Remember, language is not just a string of words, but a cultural experience. Engaging with English in various forms will help you understand its nuances and idiosyncrasies. Step 2. Practice makes perfect. Use the language daily. Speak it, write it, think in it. Practice may seem tedious, but it's the best way to become comfortable with English. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're a crucial part of learning. Each error is an opportunity for improvement. Step 3. Expand your vocabulary. Start with common words and phrases, then gradually move on to more complex language. Keep a notebook handy to jot down new words and phrases you come across. Review it regularly and try to use these new words in your daily conversations. Step 4. Master the grammar. English grammar can seem daunting, but don't let that deter you. Start with the basics and slowly build your way up. Use grammar books, online resources, or even language apps to help you. Remember, understanding the structure of the language is essential to becoming fluent. Finally, step 5. Get feedback. Engage in conversations with native speakers or experienced learners. They can correct your mistakes and provide valuable insights. Join language exchange groups, enroll in online courses, or find a language partner. Feedback is crucial to refine your language skills. So there you have it. 5 steps to English fluency: immersion, practice, vocabulary building, grammar mastery, and getting feedback. It may seem like a long journey, but with dedication, persistence, and the right resources, English fluency is well within your reach. Remember, the goal is not just to learn the language, but to live it. So dive in, embrace the process, and before you know it, you'll be speaking English like a pro.